It was already the world's easiest design platform, but now Canva has launched Magic Studio, and suddenly, every small business, student, and entrepreneur is a designer. But here's the real question. If AI can do 90% of your design work in seconds, what happens to actual design jobs? Welcome back for your front row seat to the future of AI. Today, we're unpacking a major shift in the world of creativity and design, because Canva's Magic Studio just made creating logos, pitch decks, and even full marketing campaigns possible with just a few prompts. In under 10 minutes, someone with no experience can now do what used to take a junior designer hours. But is this the future of visual creativity, or the start of mass de-skilling? Let's explore what Canva's Magic Studio actually does, who it empowers, and who should be worried. What is Canva Magic Studio? Launched as a full suite of AI-powered tools inside the Canva platform, Magic Studio turns static templates into dynamic design automation. Here's what it includes. Magic Design. Type a prompt like, create a bold marketing pitch for a fitness startup, and get a full, branded deck with images, layouts, and text. Magic Media. Text-to-image and text-to-video tools baked into Canva itself. Magic Write. AI copywriting for captions, headlines, taglines, and product descriptions. Magic Animate. Auto-generates animation sequences for text and visuals. Magic Edit and Erase. Generative editing tools for images. Erase a background or add new elements in seconds. Translate. Resize and brand kit matching. Turn one design into dozens of languages, sizes, or branded versions instantly. It's not one tool. It's the AI command center for modern visual content. Who is Canva targeting? Unlike Adobe, which traditionally serves creative professionals, Canva's sweet spot is small business owners, social media managers, content creators, educators and students, nonprofits and startups, corporate teams with no design budget. The core user isn't a designer. It's everyone else who needs to design. And with Magic Studio, Canva just cut the friction even further. What this means for casual creators: if you run an Etsy shop, a coaching business, or an ebook side hustle, Magic Studio is a game changer. You can now build an entire brand identity in under an hour, generate product mockups and promo videos, create a 30-day content calendar, complete with AI-written posts, resize, localize, and animate your content for every platform, make edits with zero Photoshop knowledge. It's like having a full creative agency, without the agency. This means faster content, more polish, and less time stuck staring at a blank screen. But what about professional designers? Here's where it gets complicated. Many designers, especially freelancers or early career creatives, rely on small clients. And those clients now have Magic Studio. So while AI opens up new workflows, it also erodes the bottom tier of paid design work. Templates are now smarter. Prompts can replicate styles. Layouts are automatically optimized. And for non-specialist clients, that's often good enough. The result? Entry-level designers are competing with $0 Canva templates that never sleep. What skills still matter? The rise of AI design doesn't mean creativity is dead. But the skill set is shifting. Here's what's still hard for AI, and valuable for humans. Original conceptual thinking. AI can remix, but it struggles with originality. Strategic visual storytelling. Knowing what to say, when to say it, and how to make it feel premium. User experience. UX. Especially in product and interface design. Brand consistency and evolution. Developing a visual identity that grows. Client collaboration and creative direction. AI is accelerating production, but it's not yet replacing strategic creativity. The AI-boosted designer. Instead of fighting the tools, smart designers are learning to partner with AI. Here's what that looks like. Using Magic Write to explore copy variations and tones. Starting projects with Magic Design. Then layering in originality, speeding up content, repurposing across formats and platforms, building custom templates that scale. While still controlling the brand in this new world, efficiency is a skill. Designers who learn how to art direct AI, instead of trying to beat it, will win bigger clients and have more time to focus on high-value thinking. Broader impacts. The democratization of design. Canva's mission was always to empower the world to design. Magic Studio takes that to the next level, especially in developing markets, education, and entrepreneurship. Now, a 14-year-old in Nigeria or a baker in Peru can create a professional website, social media campaign, and ebook, all from a mobile phone, with no budget. That's huge for economic inclusion, creative independence, brand building outside traditional agency models, but it also means the bar has been raised, and standing out just got harder. Canva's Magic Studio is more than a time saver, it's a signal. The design world is shifting from, who can make this, to, who can make this differently? If you're a designer, now's the time to rethink your value. If you're a creator, now's the time to build like never before. Subscribe for more breakdowns on how AI is changing the tools we use, the jobs we hold, and the skills that matter most. They're never late, don't take lunch breaks, and don't ask for a raise. Meet the AI interns already replacing entry-level workers. Tomorrow we explore how businesses are using AI to automate junior roles, and what you can do to stay ahead.